You've probably seen this in the headlines. H5 bird flu is back in the news. It's spreading in wild bird populations with outbreaks in poultry and even US dairy cows. But officials say the public health risk is still low. So, with all these headlines, what's actually going on? Let's find out. What exactly is the H5 bird flu? H5 bird flu is officially called influenza A virus subtype H5N1. It's a type of avian influenza. It mainly infects birds and spreads naturally among wild birds. Sometimes it spills over into poultry and other animals, which is what we are seeing now. Now, here's a big question. Can humans get it? Yes, but it's rare. Most cases have been in people who had close contact with infected animals. According to the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, there's no sustained human to human spread at this point. For people working closely with poultry or dairy animals, protective gear and proper hygiene are important. Health agencies are monitoring the situation carefully. Now comes the important question. Most of us think, can we eat chicken? Yes, you can still eat chicken because proper cooking destroys the virus. So, right now, this is about awareness, not panic. Stay informed, stay curious, visit BioDiaries for more insights.